Hello YouTube, this is Asatsu 5, and what you're looking at is my Seiko Golden Turtle, or Turtle reissue. I think it's the K775, but I'm not 100% on that. And this is a relatively new watch. I had it for about a month, and it broke on me. And, excuse me, I'm still suffering from a cough. But what happened was the crown would not hand wind the watch, and it wouldn't move the hands. So it would still wind with the rotor, but just not with the crown. And I took it to my local watch repair shop, and he wasn't able to fix it due to it being a particular model that has parts that he can't get. So I shipped it off to Seiko's warranty department, and that was yesterday on April the 3rd. It should be there tomorrow on April the 5th. And the reason why I'm making this video is just to let you know that I missed a good video opportunity about shipping the watch off for repair. And I wanted to let you know that I plan on doing an unboxing, if I can restrain myself from opening it when it does come in. And I just want to kind of tell you about the process. There's a form you fill out on the Seiko repair website, and it has a button that'll print out the form after you typed in all the stuff. I was out of ink, so we had to handwrite it. And I mailed it off, and hopefully they can fix it, because I really like the watch, but it broke on me, and it's barely a month old. So that's it. I'm Asatsu 5, and I'm out.